Hello everybody, it's Helga and let's study English together. Today I have a new grammar for you, which is I hope plus will. This is basically future simple. We use future simple after these expressions: hope, believe, expect, think, perhaps, probably, I'm afraid, I'm sure, plus will. Rules: I hope I will, you hope you will, she hopes she will. Or we can change the person: he hopes I will, they hope she will, the teacher hopes we will. For example, listen and repeat. I hope I will pass the exam. You hope you will do well on your first day. She hopes she will get a job soon. He hopes I will help him with this project. They hope she will join them for dinner. The teacher hopes we will do our homework on time. We cannot use other grammars. You cannot say, I hope I'm going to pass the exam. No, no. I hope I will pass. She hopes she is getting a job soon. No, no. She hopes she will. So remember, after hope, we use will. We can also use negative and questions. Listen and repeat. I hope I won't be late to the meeting. Do you hope you won't be late to the meeting? Yes, I do. You hope she won't be upset. Do you hope she won't be upset? Yes, I do. She hopes they won't cancel the event. Does she hope they won't cancel the event? Yes, she does. Now, practice. This is your turn now. Please use the future simple. I give you a little time. You can also stop the video if you want. Now let's check together. Listen and repeat. I hope you will enjoy the party. She hopes she will pass the exam. They hope we won't forget the appointment. I hope it will stop raining soon. He hopes she won't be too tired. Do you hope she will join us for lunch? Very good, well done. We checked hope today. Which one would you like to practice next? Please comment under the video. You can also follow me on Instagram, funenglish.learning. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.